This tutorial will go into loading a theme or a site layout for your website. Once you've loaded WordPress, this is the screen that you'll see. This will be right after the back end of WordPress is loaded to your website. This will be the general screen that all WordPress sites will have. You're going to want to change this to your theme, your design. In order to do that, there's two different ways. You can choose a pre-existing theme layout on the internet that's already templated for you, or you can use a designer and web developer to develop out a customized theme for your website. For purposes of this tutorial, we'll show you how to load a previously designed WordPress theme. We'll do this by going to a place on the internet called themeforest.com. Basically, ThemeForest is a spot where they sell all sorts of pre-existing themes that you can upload easily to your website and change for your own layout. You're going to want to select a WordPress theme rather than other themes that are based on other CMSs. For purposes of this video, we're actually going to use Minibuzz because we've actually used that theme before. Minibuzz will pull up. We'll see that this is a WordPress theme. We'll click on that. We'll click on the live preview, and within the live preview you can see this is how the site will look once we upload it to WordPress. All these elements aren't going to be there when we upload. We'll have to set that all up, but this is how the site would look with our own content. You can go in and see the different types of typography, the different types of full page widths, all sorts of options that this theme comes with. Now there are a lot of themes on the internet that you can search for and different functionality within them, shopping carts and all sorts of stuff. This one we're just going to pick for purposes of the video, but if you Google WordPress themes, you'll find a whole bunch of other options, as well as going to themeforest.com. You'll find a bunch of options there. Once we've gone into the ThemeForest account, purchased the theme, download it to our computer, we're going to go into the back end of our newly loaded WordPress. We'll basically type in the URL /wp-admin. From there, it'll bring us into a login screen where we will log in with our username and password. This is the username and password that we provided when we set up the WordPress. Once you're in the back end of your WordPress site, you're going to want to navigate to Appearance. From Appearance, you're going to click on Themes. Under the Themes toolbar, you're going to want to go to the top and click on Install Themes. From the Install Themes menu, you're going to want to go to Upload. And then from here, you're just going to want to choose the file off of your computer. You're going to want to make sure that this file is compressed. If it's not compressed, this process won't work. You'll click on Open, and you'll click on Install Now. What will happen is this theme will install to your WordPress site, and then you'll have to go in and you'll have to update all the settings to create the layout that we saw in the example when we were looking at the downloadable theme. There's another option that you can do here so it doesn't take so much time, and that's going to be File Transfer Protocol, FTP, where you would FTP the theme under the theme folder on your back end of your website. You can do that simply by using an FTP program. In this case, we have FileZilla. We're not going to go through it in this tutorial, but with FileZilla, you'll be able to transfer this theme to the website. You can see how long it took by doing this. If you have a larger theme, it may not upload correctly using just the WordPress backend, so you might have to use the FTP. From here, we're going to click on Activate. What this will do is it'll unpack the theme that we just uploaded, and it will set it up so we can go into the settings in the actual theme. Here you can see the theme has loaded correctly. Under the Appearance tab, you'll be able to go to theme options. Within theme options, it'll allow you to choose a whole bunch of different options to set up the theme. For more instructions on how to set up themes, you can visit one of our other tutorials, or most themes will have some sort of a README file or tutorial included when you purchase the theme.